We'll guide you through how to fix some keys not working on our laptop keyboard and fix the keyboard not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really annoying problem because perhaps trying to go and search something, use a shortcut, and just go and use it in general. And keys not working it makes your laptop almost unusable. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and resolve this problem. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as we're covering different methods in this video and you want to go and try them and get the problem resolved. So to go and get started with this, of course, you can still sort of partially use your laptop because the trackpad should still be working. So what you want to do is you want to go and find the Windows Start button. As you can see, you then need to go and right click on it. You'll see a list of options. What you're looking for is Device Manager. So you can come up and you can then go and click on it like so. This will open up. In here, you need to go and find keyboards, as you can see. To go and view the keyboard options, go and press the arrow to the left to expand it. And then we've got the keyboard here. Yours may be called something different, it's probably called the same. And then what you can do is you want to go and right click on this and you can go and press Update Driver, like so. On this pop-up, you can go and press Browse my computer for drivers. Then you can press Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And what you want to do is go and select this here and you can go and press Next. Then it's going to go and successfully update, hopefully. Press Close. We'll get this pop up here, don't worry. Go and see if that's resolved the keyboard. If it has, great. If you still find it hasn't, don't worry. You want to come back to the keyboard here. And what we're then going to do is we're going to go and right click on it. And you want to go and find the option for Uninstall Device. Confirm the decision. And as you can see, to finish moving the device, you must restart your computer. So go and press yes. Now go and wait for it to go and restart. It's going to go and remove it, and it's then going to be reinstalled as it's going to be detected. So just be patient for this to go and restart. I found this to kind of work before, so let's go and be patient for it to go and start again. Now it started again, and hopefully we can now go and use the keyboard. As you can see, it's working for me. I can enter my password and use it. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.